Welcome back to my channel. These are the ingredients I used to make my egusi soup. I used tatashe, shombo, yellow pepper for flavor, and this is just the secret to my egusi soup. Enough of this and to give you what you want. So these are the ingredients. Then I have my beef, my kpomo, kpanla and stockfish, and my ugwu. And then I went ahead to boil the meat and the other protein. I allowed it boil for some minutes before pouring water into it to let it cook. And you let it cook till it's soft. And then I gave it a stir and covered it to let it cook. This is the stockfish. I've already cooked it, then I'll just add it to the remaining beef. And then in a dried pot I added palm oil, approximately 1 cup, and then I made my egusi powder into a paste. And then I added it into the palm oil. I didn't allow the oil to get hot because I want it to still be red. So I added the egusi paste to the palm oil, and then I'll start stirring. This is where the work is, because you have to pay close attention to it, if not it will get burnt underneath the pot. So you keep on stirring. I kept on stirring it, and this is how it looks, but very soon it's going to change. So you keep on stirring until you see that it starts separating. It no longer looks like a paste, but this is what you are looking for. So this is it, and then you know it's fried already. Then you go ahead and pour in your pepper mix. I poured in my pepper mix and stirred it, and this is the point where you introduce your protein, the beef, the kpomo, the fish and the stockfish, and you pour everything into the pot. Then rinse out the pot and add it into it. You don't want to waste anything though. So I added everything into the pot and I stirred it, and then I covered the pot and allowed it to cook for some minutes. I checked for the taste to know if I should add extra seasoning, because I already added seasoning to the beef. I went ahead to add little seasoning powder and then crayfish, about 2 tablespoons. Gave it a stir and covered it and let it. Okay, I added little water here to loosen it a bit. So if it's too thick, you just add little water to it. And I covered it and let it boil for some minutes. This is the delicious looking egusi soup. So now I'm adding my ugwu leaf. I just like using ugwu leaf for my egusi soup. So I gave it a stir, and the soup is almost ready. You can enjoy this with any swallow of your choice. So this is what the soup looks like. Looking yummy, right? Yeah. And it tastes great also. And the soup is ready. So I paired it with swallow. This is cassava and maize flour mixed together, and it's called ojiabacha in my language. So you can enjoy this with any swallow of your choice: fufu, semo, gari, and whatever you like. So I just added little water in the pot. When it came to a boil, I added in the powder cassava and maize, and I turned it just like cooking semo. Added little water to make it smooth, and I stirred it, and it's almost ready. I had this for lunch that day and I totally enjoyed myself. So guys, I want you to give this a try, and I hope you'll enjoy it, and I trust and I know that you'll enjoy it. So I just dished out the portion I'll be having, and now I'm serving myself a nice plate of egusi soup to enjoy. So guys, come and enjoy with me. So this is it. Wow. This is delicious. You have to give this a try, guys. This is delicious. Oh, let me go and sit down and enjoy. This is enjoyment. Premium enjoyment. Come and join me, guys. Make sure you try it out and tell me what you feel.